All right, we're going to be imaging a Mac laptop. So this is a J3. First thing we'll do is check that you're plugging in the right drive. So the drives will be labeled J, or H would be the other one. Some of these have FireWire 800, some have FireWire 400. This particular model happens to have 800. So we're going to plug it in here. Be careful, this will fit in the Ethernet socket, so make sure you actually look where you plug it in, don't just do it by touch. Go ahead and plug in the Mac power. This is magnetic, it should snap in. You should see a little light in there. We're going to power it on while holding the Alt key. You can use the MDS remote thumb for this task, or for these J models, they're pretty quick. You don't generally need to do that. So hold down Alt, hit the power button. This shouldn't take very long. You can let go of the Alt button once you start to see the hard drive show up. So there we go. We're going to boot to the yellow or orange FireWire drive. So select that and hit the arrow. And this will boot up. Okay, once we're all booted up, you're going to start Net Restore. That's this one down here. If you see the normal Mac desktop with all the dock icons and everything, then you probably booted to the wrong drive. So make sure this is all you see. Kind of a boring gray background and just a couple things down here. Start Net Restore. Click the padlock. There's no password, so just hit OK. And click Restore. This little bar will slowly creep across, and once it's done, the Mac will automatically restart itself and boot into its internal drive. All right, we're back. So it has rebooted. From here, you pretty much just shut it down. Now in the future, there will be antivirus update on these guys, but for now, we don't have that. So let's hit the power button once and select Shutdown. Pretty quick. Once it's off, go ahead and put one of those laminated, battery charging things on top to let other people know that it's already been imaged. It's just charging its battery. When the light here changes from yellow to green, you're all set. And of course you can unplug the FireWire drive now. One interesting tip about these, because there's a magnetic sensor in here that tells it whether the lid is shut, if you stack one on top of the other, the one on top will actually fall asleep because the magnets in the lid of the one on the bottom will activate the sensor on the one on the top and put it to sleep. Very interesting problem. So if you're stacking these guys, make sure to offset them, or better yet, just don't stack them. And that wraps up Mac formatting.